So Marcus International Managing Award. This is, we just had Marcus on stage about this award, not on stage, but through Zoom. And as you know, as a 100-year-old person, one of the rarest one in the world, still continuing, the award was established in 2019 because of the way he manages his life. He is 100 years old and managing his life and research every day. That's why it was established in 2019, an award after his name. And you saw his sharp mind in the plenary lecture in the first day and in the gala. So, who is the winner? The winner of Marcus International Managing Award is Claudio Capiglia, Senior President and Reliance Industries Limited in India, for corporate managing, Here, Claudio, congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you.
So that's the award. Marcos International Managing Award, Claudio Capiglia, Senior President.
Totally appreciated.
Congratulations. Let's have our standard picture here with your picture in the background. This is your certificate. You keep it like this. Show the camera this in your hand, and this one. You can say a few words.
Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to thank Dr. Florian for this award, which I'm honored to receive. A little bit unexpected, to be honest, but
sure, that's what we do.
It's my pleasure, and I will, keep inspiration to, apply my management skill and will to make a renewable society through management and corporate. Yes?
Since the award is after the name of a Nobel laureate, he is 100 years old this year and still working. Your management style should last 100 years.
Yeah, that's great. I will love it. Thank you again.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
That's it.